Here, we're expected to make R the subject of formula. So let's solve. Now V is equal to, this is same as saying 4 pi R cubed over 4 plus H. So H will move to this side and change to what? Minus. So we have V minus H is equal to 4 pi R cubed over 4. This is a fraction, make this a fraction as well. So you cross and multiply to solve for that. So we have our 4 pi R cubed times 1 will give you same value is equal to 4 into bracket V minus H. So we have 4. Okay, let's leave it this way. I wanted to expand the bracket earlier, but let's leave it this way. So you divide both sides by the coefficient of R. So we have 4 pi over 4 pi. So I have 4 pi cancelling 4 pi. So you have R cubed is equal to 4 V minus H over 4 pi. Now, because we're looking for R and not R cubed, so you simply say, let's just cube root all. So you make this one a cube root. Also make this a cube root. So that this here we cancel 3 here. So we'll have R remaining is equal, so we'll have this remaining. R will now be equal to the cube roots of 4V minus H. Sorry, this is bracket all over 4 pi. So this is our answer. So I believe you understood this very well. If you do not understand, so this is our answer. This is our answer. So if you do not understand, if you are wondering how we introduce cube roots, we can also solve it this way too as well. Here we stopped at cube root of R. R cube root is equal to 4 into bracket V minus H over 4 pi. Now what we do is that we multiply the powers, this power here, by 1 over 3, right? We multiply by 1 over 3. Must have this one too as what? 1 over 3. So we have R is equal to, this is 3 over 1 and 1 over 3, right? So 3 will cancel 3. So what we have left is R raised to power 1. But R raised to power 1 is the same thing as R. So you have it as 4. This is just like saying 4. This is just like saying 4 raised to power 2. You know, this is just same thing as what? The square root of 4. Then when you have 4 raised to power 1 over 3, the same thing as saying cube root of 4. Why we don't bring 2 down here is because this is already 2. So just like our tautology in English, we are repeating the same thing. By putting 2 here, we're repeating the same. This already shows 2, which is square root. So in this case, here, you put it here, cube. All over the entirety here, we have 4 into bracket V minus H over 4 pi. Now, all raised to power 1. But then, since anything raised to power 1 gives you the same value, so you stop at this. So this is the answer. So you can see what you have here is same as the same thing you have here. Bye!